Hello?
Hi there, this is Brandon from Opsynx AI. I noticed that you recently showed interest in our whole life insurance options, and I wanted to reach out and see how we can assist you. Could you tell me a little bit about what you're looking for in a policy?
Yeah, for sure. I'm looking for something to kind of solidify my kids, and I know there's some tax advantages with whole life insurance.
That's wonderful to hear, and I'm glad you're considering those benefits for your family. I'd love to help you explore the right options. Let's set up an appointment with one of our specialists who can go over all the details and find the perfect policy for you. What day and time would be most convenient for you?
I'm not sure I want to even do it yet. Is this expensive?
I completely understand your concern. Whole life insurance can be a significant commitment, but it also comes with a lot of valuable benefits. The great thing is that we can customize a policy that fits within your budget and meets your goals. We can definitely go over all the details and find something that makes you comfortable. Would you be open to a quick chat with our specialist to explore your options?
I don't know. You did call pretty fast. It was like almost a instant call after I clicked on the ad. So, can you explain that a little more?
Absolutely. I get that it feels really quick. We do try to reach out as soon as possible so that we can be available while everything's still fresh in your mind. Rest assured, the main goal is just to help answer any questions you have and guide you through the process at your own pace. There's no rush at all, and we're here whenever you're ready to explore your options further.
Wow, I appreciate that. Yeah, let's go ahead and book a call.
That's great to hear, Jordan. I'll get everything set up for you. I'll send over a confirmation with the details of the appointment, and if you have any other questions in the meantime, just let me know. Looking forward to helping you find the right policy.
Great. Can you give me some times for availability?
Absolutely. We have a few openings this week. For example, we have availability on Wednesday at 2 p.m., Thursday at 11 a.m., or Friday at 3 p.m. If any of those times work for you, just let me know and I'll lock it in. If not, we can always find a time that suits you best.
Yeah, can I do Friday at 3 p.m.? That would be today.
Of course, I'll go ahead and book you in for today, Friday at 3 p.m. You'll get a confirmation email shortly with all the details. If anything changes or you have any other questions, just let me know. Looking forward to our chat at 3 p.m.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You're very welcome. You have a great day too, and I'll talk to you soon.